2018 Mazda CX-5. With less than 62,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, rain-sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.